Gideon City. This crowd is chanting more.
Going up.
Mas okay ba na dinala natin yung kotse mo? Kaysa sa kotse ko?
Yeah.
It's a good decision, huh? Whoa! Look in the right side, sweetie.
Is that a dam? That's a dam?
You don't care.
May dam.
Parang ganito ba yung inaano natin yung nagpunta tayo ng Yosemite?
No?
Diba ba? Or parang pa-late ako, ano?
Yeah.
Ganito pag-late ako.
County line. Tinitingnan nila yung dam.
Inshallah. Pag-uwi kayo, ito rin kayo daan. Usually iba, diba? Buti meron dito ano, yung wall, ganyan, island. Tama-tama dito.
Yun.
Whoa! Look! Getting on your right! Look! There's a lake! You don't care about it.
Oh, may nahuli.
Don't say that, sweetie.
Let's go.
Why would you say you don't care about it? Look, it's nature. Look at it. Nakakahilo dito. Woo! Parang mamimit mo na si San Pedro siya na.
Up in the mountain, Gideon.
How's your ears, Gideon? Is it popping? My ears just popped. Whoa, look at that. Parang pag ano, nasa taas na si ano, si Moses. With 10 commandments.